How to delete all your comments on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all comments on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete the comments on Instagram, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up Insta account and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Instead of going through post by post and comment through comment, what you can do is simply tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner. Once you have done so here, simply head into the option that says your activity. Under your activity now, you can see the option that says interactions. Under it you can see the comments option. Simply tap on comments, and now here you'll be able to see all the comments. You can simply tap on select option at the top right corner of your screen and then select the comment that you would like to delete, and then tap on delete option at the bottom of your screen. This is how you can easily delete all your comments on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.